Well, it has been almost 4 or 5 weeks since I've last been here. Situation is pretty much the same. I managed to get all the leaks, pretty much all the leaks. Now I'm just having a diesel leak. Maybe we got some more stuff done than the last time. My main concern is the engine is coming in about 3 or 4 weeks. So I need to prepare the engine compartment, and there's a lot of hoses, a lot of cables, and everything is going to be taken away so I can clean out the engine compartment and then start painting. First thing is I have to take out all the hoses and wiring, etc., etc., because I'm going to completely rewire everything, and yeah, that's not really important to keep all the old wiring. So this is the old electrical panel, and as you can see, yeah, it's pretty old. Yeah, maybe I could get it working again, but then again, yeah, I don't know. So much wires that I don't know. Corrosion, everything. Yeah, I think I better do it over again. To show you what I'm doing right now, there was no water, but there was some diesel leaking over here. So once more I had to clean out.
Last week I made you guys a promise. I was still yammering on about all the stuff I had to do. But as you can see, I still have to completely remove all wires, hoses and other engine related parts so I can give the engine bay a much needed scrub and finally prepare for sanding.
So I have some work ahead of me, and I better get to it. Yeah, I don't know what all these wires are, where they are going. This one seems to be going back to the aft, and yeah, I'm guessing this is all engine control. But without further ado, choppy choppy. Chop. Voila. Then another issue I'm breaking my head around is the placement of the new pre-filter and water separator. I bought a new one. It's like a Racor one. To my knowledge, it's best to have it as low as possible so that the filter automatically fills with diesel. The Racor type filter is much larger. I'm thinking about placing it over here. And that means that I first have to pump diesel into the filter. Still having some thoughts about that. This through hole, I'm not sure what that through hole is for. That particular through hole, I have no idea. What should I do with that? I finally found the diesel leak. Yay! The return. Yep, was here. Was leaking over here. So I took a bit of a gamble and I just cut the pipe. So finally, we are slowly getting there, but we are getting there. So finally I can start making everything clean here. Yay! Good morning, everybody. That was one hell of a night. There was some party going on somewhere far away, but the wind blew the sound right to the boat. Anyhow, today I'm going to cut a bit more diesel tubing. Yeah, that's the first thing I'm going to do. It's a bit easier when you put the teeth on this side. Well, that's all. So I'm going to remove it completely now. So at this stage I got rid of most of the wiring. So there is some copper piping for the water system that I'll just keep in there because I don't know if it's gonna leak, yes or no. I'll show you what I mean. Over there I cut a plastic tube and it right away started leaking. I guess most of the leaking is gone now, so it must have been water what was already in the hose and just drips out now. These copper pipes I'm leaving for now, and that also goes for the one copper pipe over here. The rest of the wiring connected to the main switches I'm going to remove because I'm only going to be using this one and I don't want to be any accidental failure. So yeah, that's what I'm going to do now. That looks a lot better. No more clutter. Yeah, just the copper tubing. I'll keep in place. What else? Nice and clean. I like it. I'm totally done for today, for this weekend. I didn't have what I planned to do, but still I made some good progress, especially in the engine room. I prepared the hull to keel joint. So next weekend, put in some Sikaflex and start sanding the engine compartment. Okay, see you guys then. Bye bye.